What's up, everyone? You are on this video because you're checking out the Rakuten review. Hey, my name is Karen Munising and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you're here. But if this is your first time, please make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click the like button and share this video. Someone else is looking out for this video. So welcome to this video today. But before I get into the actual review of what is Rakuten and how you can make money with using this particular website, I want to share this little quick commercial. I thought it was kind of cute. So they're trying to figure out, get people to pronounce the word Rakuten. I don't know if I pronounce it right, but hey, here you go.
Say Kissimmee, but can you say Rakuten? Nope.
Rakuten? Okay, I'm not saying.
Rakuten! I can say Rakuten!
She got it.
Rakuten.
She got it. And he got money. She got money. What about you?
Oh my god, is this mine?
All that money. Money. That I thought that was a cute commercial, sharing with you guys how to pronounce the word. And I don't know, I probably butchered it myself, but hey, needless to say. So let's get back to the purpose of this video. So this video, I'm actually sharing with you how you can make money by shopping. You see those people? They just made some money by just pronouncing the word Rakuten. So can you imagine making money by shopping at your favorite store? So what Rakuten used to be Ebates, and basically it's a website that have a lot of stores, like you have the Macy's, Kohl's, Amazon, where people can log into this website, check out the stores where they want to shop at. So let's look at so let's do just Macy's. I'm not a Macy's fan, but hey. So Macy's. So basically, if you check this out, Macy's is offering 6% cash back on every purchases that you do online. So who doesn't like to shop and make money? I don't know. I think you do. I do too. So yeah, they offer these stores where you can go online and shop and make money from him. So the key thing is make sure you sign up for their free account. It's easy. Your name, your address, and an email address. So make sure you sign up for that. And whenever you decide you want to shop, all you have to do is go onto the website and type www.rakuten.com. Log in. As you can see, I'm logged in. I'm Karen. I'm logged into my account, and start shopping, and you'll make money from that. Now, a cool part that I love about what they do, it says refer and earn. So basically, what they're saying is, you know, friends and family, especially we just passed the Christmas season, everyone was shopping. If you refer a friend, they join and make a purchase of $25 and above, guess what? They will give you $25 and they get $10. Who wouldn't love that? That's like a win-win situation. They're spending, you're getting 25 as a referrer, and they get money. So everyone wins at the same time. So if you can see, as you can see in my account, I never really dealt with the referral part of it. I really used it to make purchases. And yeah, I don't do a lot of purchases online, but I made some money from their from purchasing stuff. So as you can see, I have received $24.09 in my account over the past years. I've been with them since 2015, and I've shopped online and they've given me this cash back. Now I have about $2.37 where I did a few shopping. I'm not a big shop online person, but guess what? I will start to become an advocate of shopping online because I can shop online, I get money back, and the cool part about it is referring people, right? to this website using your affiliate link once you sign up and become a member, and you make money at the same time. So guys, there is so many ways of making money online, and this is just one of them. Now, if you want to learn my number one way of making an income online, earning money online, make sure you click the link below and put your email address in, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye.